Everyone, this is JK back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone to make beats without any wires. So you could be sitting on your bed, or you could be on the other side of your room, and you could be making beats with your phone through your recording system, through Bluetooth. So we're going to do this through Bluetooth. So you'll need a Bluetooth mixer for this to have it work. So if you have a regular mixer, this is not going to work. Your mixer has to have Bluetooth. So I've got my screen recorder ready to go. I'll show you, so see, my phone's already connected to my mixer, so it's ready to go. So the app I'm using for this will be GroovePad. So we're going to open GroovePad, and I got a beat here ready to go. So this is how we'll do it. So I'm gonna get drums going here. So there we go. Alright, there we go. It's going through my recording system. Bass. Synth. Chord. Arpegiation. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can record through your phone, you can record with your recording system. Yeah, and the mixer I'm using for this is the Cushion DX12. So, it's pretty cool. This is how you can make beats on your phone through your Bluetooth mixer from your bed, the inside the room, basically anywhere in the studio. So I think it's pretty cool. So if you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you like it, click the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. And I will see you in the next video. And comment down below, let me know what you think. So yeah, alright. Thanks and bye.